Hey, what's up? I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use Blender, because I have two idiots inside of my NATO development team, Exile and Octopus, that are just being retarded and don't want to learn by themselves, so they're making me do this video. Actually, they want to do a voice call, but this is easier. So, go into Blender, this is what you get. Just click away, don't need that. First thing first, mouse wheel is to move, shift, mouse wheel gets you to actually move, not just rotate around. So get used to doing that instead of what you do in Roblox. So press X to delete stuff and delete everything because it's useless. This thingy, I don't know what this does. So first of all, create a plane. So go to create and create a plane. Oh wait, I think it's where objects are made. That's useless anyways. Um, so you make your thing and you move it to right here, and now you want to change it up. So press tab to get into edit mode and select these two vertices by holding shift and click with your right click on your mouse. Left click, the only thing I know that left click does is just this. So to move these, you obviously just use the arrows and whatnot, and it's super easy. To resize, you press S and make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever you want. It depends on what you're resizing, what will happen. If I'm in object mode by pressing tab, uh, it does the whole object, obviously. But if you're in edit mode, it only does certain ones. Super useful. So, delete this and get a new square. So next up is pressing E. So press E, click right away, and now you can move it up, and bam! You got your dumbass little block. Congrats. You're a failure. Uh, to move, yeah, you just do this. I don't know why I'm teaching you to move again. So I'm gonna go on tab and resize it again, because I'm retarded. Bam. So just get used to doing this. So moving around, pressing S to resize. Uh, Next up is rotate. So press R to rotate something. Click right away, unless you wanna screw it up and do something whack like that. So press R, click right away, get on here, hit your angle. 90 is the most common angle for me. And click on one of these things to make it move differently for the degree. Because if you don't, it gets all whack. Again, that's how you make it perfect for rotating. So there you go. Now you know how to do this. Last thing. Actually, I have two more things. I'm going to press E and copy this first, bring it over here. So I'm going to select these three and press F and we'll fill it. Also do with these. And take out that one and get this one, press F. Get this and get that. Get that one, press F. And so F is basically fill. Last thing is, instead of selecting vertices all by one, you can click A to deselect all and A to select all. Also, C brings up a circle, and you can just select them as you please and press S to get out. Way faster. Okay, so I'm gonna select these four and move it all the way there. Boom, you got your object. Now you know how to use Blender as a noob, I guess. Next video will teach you better to play around with this. Once you're ready, go on to my next video. Um, yeah, you guys play around with this for like at least 20 minutes, maybe. Just familiarize yourself with it. And if you don't, then you're a cunt and should go rot in hell.